Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter Our Environment. There are many things around us. They form our environment. There are stones and rocks and soil. There are rivers and streams and lakes. There is air. There are hills and mountains. There are jungles. There are fields and houses and roads and also barren lands. We also see many different animals around us. Different types of trees and bushes and climbers make our environment beautiful. We too are the part of this environment. Now let us look at a stone and a sparrow in our surroundings and compare them. A stone remains where it is. Its place changes only if someone picks it up and moves it. It doesn't eat, so it doesn't grow bigger. It doesn't have babies either. It's not the same with sparrows. They build nests. They move here and there on their own. They eat insects and grains. That is why they grow. They lay eggs in nests. Little sparrows hatch from these eggs. Sparrows take a lot of care of their young ones. Why do we see these differences between the sparrow and the stone? हम लोग क्यों ये डिफरेंसेस स्पैरो और स्टोन के बीच में देख रहे हैं? क्योंकि स्टोन जो है वो नॉन लिविंग थिंग है और स्पैरो जो है वो लिविंग थिंग है. मतलब कि स्टोन एक जगह से दूसरी जगह नहीं जा सकता है, वो कुछ खा नहीं सकता, वो बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. और स्पैरो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भी जा सकता है, वो खा भी सकता है, बड़ा भी हो सकता है. तो मीन्स जो लिविंग थिंग होती है उसमें जान होता है और जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग होता है उसमें जान नहीं होती. मीन्स स्टोन नॉन लिविंग थिंग और स्पैरो लिविंग थिंग. The sparrow is a living thing and the stone is a non-living thing. Things in our surroundings form two groups: living things and non-living things. Living things are two kinds: plants and animals. Animals have babies and seedlings grow from seeds. This tells us that plants are living things. The seedlings then grow into plants. Plants to move, for example, when a bud blooms into a flower, its petals open. Plants to move, for example, when a bud blooms into a flower, its petals open. But movements of plants are not so easily seen. Of course, plants do not move from place to place like animals do. Their roots hold them down in one place. Are the things in these pictures living or non-living things? Can you tell? Yes, plants, animals, etc. are living things. Gas cylinders, glass, etc. are non-living things. Use your brain power and tell me the answer. Question: a railway engine goes to and fro. Is it living or non-living thing? Answer: a railway engine is non-living thing. Wood comes from trees which are living thing. A chair is made from wood. Now, is the chair living or non-living things? Answer: a chair is non-living thing because ये एक जगह से ना तो दूसरी जगह जा सकता है, ना तो कुछ खा सकता है, ना तो बड़ा हो सकता है, बट प्लांट्स ग्रोथ भी करते हैं,